What if I told you that one simple daily habit could keep you strong and vibrant after 50, allowing you to maintain the leg strength of someone decades younger? Imagine being 90 years old and still having the stability to climb stairs without a second thought, the power to get up from a chair with ease, and the freedom to walk wherever you please. It sounds like a dream, but the secret isn't a miracle drug or a grueling marathon training session. It starts right on your plate. As we navigate the journey of aging, one of the most significant fears many of us share is the loss of independence. We often equate getting older with slowing down, becoming frail, and losing the ability to move freely. However, recent science and the expertise of senior nutritionists suggest that our physical destiny is not set in stone. Maintaining strength, particularly in our legs, which serve as the very foundation of our mobility, is entirely possible well into our 80s, 90s, and beyond. While exercise is a vital component, the role of diet is often underestimated. Nutrition is the fuel that determines whether our muscles wither away or remain resilient. Today, we are going to explore how specific dietary choices can act as a powerful intervention, potentially as impactful as a workout, in preserving the vitality of your legs and your overall quality of life as you age. The challenges of aging are biological realities, but they don't have to be catastrophes. Around the age of 50, many individuals begin to experience a silent decline in muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. Initially, you might not feel any different. You go about your day as usual, perhaps noticing a slight bit of extra effort needed here or there. But then, one day, getting up from your favorite chair feels significantly harder. A few weeks later, you might find yourself breathless after a flight of stairs. By that point, your legs have already started to weaken significantly. This decline doesn't just affect your muscles, it takes away your balance, your strength, and ultimately, your freedom. The scary part is that this isn't just aging, it's a process accelerated by nutritional gaps. Most older adults are unaware that their body's requirements change as they age. They need more efficient fuel to combat chronic inflammation and slower muscle repair. This is where strategic nutrition plays its most critical role. By choosing the right foods, you can mitigate the effects of time, protecting your bones and restoring the strength that allows you to move through the world with confidence. The 6 powerhouse foods. 1. Sweet potatoes, the sustained energy source. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, energy is everything. However, not all energy sources are created equal. Many processed foods provide a quick burst followed by a sluggish crash, which is the last thing an aging body needs. Sweet potatoes are a game changer because they provide long-lasting power fueled by complex carbohydrates. As we age, our muscles become less efficient at storing and utilizing energy. This is why tasks like carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel like monumental efforts. Sweet potatoes support this natural decline by delivering a steady stream of fuel without causing blood sugar spikes. But their benefits go deeper than just calories. Inside that bright orange flesh is a treasure trove of vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients work in tandem to repair the tiny muscle tears that occur during daily activity, prevent painful cramps, and ensure your movements remain smooth and fluid. Vitamin A specifically aids in recovery and eases soreness, while potassium stabilizes muscle contractions and keeps your tissues properly hydrated. Furthermore, the beta-carotene found in sweet potatoes fights cellular damage, keeping your legs flexible and comfortable. 2. Oats, the endurance engine. Often dismissed as a plain breakfast food, oats are actually one of the best choices for leg endurance and all-day energy for seniors. If you find your legs tiring out halfway through a walk or feeling heavy on the stairs, oats can provide the consistent strength you need. They are packed with slow-release carbohydrates that fuel your muscles for hours, preventing that midday fatigue that often stops seniors from staying active. Beyond endurance, oats are a vital source of plant-based protein, which is essential for repairing and maintaining the muscle fibers that naturally decline with age. They are also rich in 2 nutrients often lacking in older adults: iron and magnesium. Iron is the vehicle that delivers oxygen to your leg muscles, ensuring they have what they need to function, while magnesium helps them relax. This relaxation is key to preventing the stiffness and heavy feeling many seniors experience, as well as those sudden, painful night cramps. By supporting healthy circulation and keeping blood vessels flexible, oats ensure that every part of your leg receives the nutrients it needs for faster recovery and improved stability. 3. Avocados, the flexibility specialist. Avocados have become trendy, but for seniors, they are a nutritional necessity. As we age, stiffness often creeps into our joints and muscles, that dull ache when getting out of bed or the tightness after sitting too long. Much of this is driven by chronic inflammation, which slowly wears down our mobility. Avocados fight this process naturally. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats, that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. One of the standout features of avocados is their potassium content. They actually contain more potassium than bananas. This mineral is the primary tool your muscles rely on to contract properly. Adequate potassium prevents the cramp spasms and nighttime leg tightness that can ruin a good night's sleep and make the next day's movement difficult. Additionally, avocados provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs tiny stress points in the muscle, easing fatigue. Their healthy fats also support better circulation, ensuring that oxygen-rich blood reaches your lower extremities, keeping your legs energized and ready for whatever your week brings.
4. Berries, nature's protective shield. While aging is inevitable, the loss of strength associated with it is often driven by invisible enemies like free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation. You can't see these processes happening, but you feel them in the form of stiff knees, sore legs after minor activity, and a lingering sense of tiredness. This is where berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries step in. Packed with antioxidants, berries act like a shield for your muscle cells. They fight the oxidative stress that weakens muscles and slows down the recovery process. The more often you include them in your diet, the more resilient your muscles become. Berries also address chronic inflammation, the silent force behind aching legs. Furthermore, their high vitamin C content is crucial for collagen production, which keeps the tendons and joints in your legs firm yet flexible. By improving healthy blood flow and oxygen delivery to your legs, berries help you bounce back faster from any activity, whether it's gardening or a long walk with family. As a bonus, these same antioxidants support your memory and focus, keeping your mind as sharp as your stride. 5. Salmon, the muscle rebuilder. Every time you stand, walk, or climb, your leg muscles are carrying your entire body weight. This is a heavy lift, and as you get older, your body's ability to rebuild those muscles slows down. This is exactly why your legs might start to feel weaker than they used to. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods for rebuilding that lost strength. It is packed with high-quality protein, providing the raw materials your body needs to repair muscle tissue and keep it firm. But the real secret of salmon lies in its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are masters at reducing the inflammation that causes joint stiffness and pain. They also improve blood flow, ensuring that nutrients are delivered efficiently to your legs. This results in more energy and less of that weighted down feeling. Salmon even supports your nervous system through its high concentration of B vitamins, particularly B12. This is vital because your nerves are what communicate with your muscles to keep your movements sharp and balanced. Together, these nutrients support the coordination and endurance needed to stay independent and active. 6. Eggs, the complete strength package. If you were to ask most nutritionists which single food is best for rebuilding strength after 60, the answer would likely be eggs. They are a complete package of the nutrients your muscles depend on to stay steady. The natural process of losing muscle faster than we can rebuild it is called sarcopenia, and it's the primary reason many seniors feel less stable on their feet. Eggs help fight sarcopenia by providing high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. These are the exact building blocks your muscles need to grow and repair themselves. Eggs are also one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that is notoriously low in older adults. Vitamin D is essential not just for bone health, but for muscle strength and coordination as well.
Low levels are often linked to fatigue and balance problems. By having just 1 or 2 eggs a day, you can help improve these levels naturally. Furthermore, egg yolks contain choline, a nutrient that helps your nerves and muscles communicate smoothly. This leads to quicker reactions and steadier steps, providing the control you need to move safely and confidently. The benefits of these foods are not just theoretical, they are backed by the biological needs of the human body as it ages. For instance, the transition from simple to complex carbohydrates, like those found in sweet potatoes and oats, has been shown in various metabolic studies to provide a more stable glycemic response, which is crucial for maintaining muscle energy in seniors. Consider the food synergy mentioned in the video. When you combine oats with berries, the vitamin C from the berries actually helps your body absorb the iron from the oats more effectively. When you eat salmon with avocado, the healthy fats in both help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D and E. Nutritionists often point to these pairings as a way to supercharge a meal's effectiveness. While we don't have a single testimonial from a specific individual, the graphics in the video illustrate the before and after of cellular health. Imagine a muscle fiber that is frayed and weakened by inflammation after the introduction of omega-3s from salmon and antioxidants from berries. That fiber appears reinforced and smoother. This visual representation reflects what many seniors report after improving their diet, a feeling of being lighter on their feet and experiencing fewer instances of the debilitating leg cramps that used to wake them up at 2 a.m. The science of potassium and magnesium from muscle relaxation is well documented, explaining why those who prioritize avocados and oats often see a significant reduction in muscle spasms within just a few weeks. A common belief is that age-related decline is an unavoidable one-way street, that once you hit a certain age, your strength will inevitably vanish regardless of what you do. Some might argue that genetics play a far larger role than diet, or that once muscle mass is lost, it can never be regained in later life. However, the perspective offered here is that nutrition is a powerful biological signal. While we cannot stop the clock, we can certainly change the rate at which it affects us. Research into muscle plasticity shows that even individuals in their 80s and 90s can improve muscle quality and strength through targeted nutritional interventions. Another counterargument is that exercise is the only true way to build strength. While exercise is essential, as the video notes, choosing the right foods can be as powerful as exercise, sometimes even more so, because food provides the necessary environment for exercise to even be effective. Without the protein from eggs or the energy from sweet potatoes, a workout might actually cause more damage than good to an aging body. Diet and movement are partners, not competitors. Maintaining your leg strength as you age is one of the most important investments you can make in your future. By incorporating sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs into your diet, you're creating a natural defense system against the muscle loss and weakness that often accompany aging. These 6 foods work in synergy to fuel your energy, protect your cells, rebuild your tissues, and keep your joints flexible. Remember, you don't need to eat all of these every single day. The key is consistency, making them a regular part of your weekly routine. Your body is remarkably resilient and will respond to the care you give it. By nourishing yourself correctly, you're not just eating for today, you're eating for the decade of independence and vitality that lies ahead. We hope you found these insights helpful in your journey towards a stronger, more vibrant life. Your foundation starts with your legs, and your legs start with what you put in your body. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 powerhouse foods is already a staple in your kitchen, and which one are you planning to add to your grocery list this week? Share your thoughts and your own healthy aging tips in the comments below. Your story might be the exact inspiration someone else needs to start their own journey. If you want to dive deeper into how to stay active and independent, be sure to check out our other video on daily stretches for seniors. Together, we can make your 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s your strongest years yet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Senior Meal Coach for more practical, life-changing nutrition advice. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving.